Hi, and welcome to Seesaw. We are so glad you are here today. We are going to talk about how to use Seesaw for home learning. Home learning means you get to use the Seesaw class app to learn at home and when you aren't at school. Be sure to follow along with the video whenever you are directed to try something. Here we go. To get started, you will need your trusty device. This could be a tablet, computer, laptop, or phone. The class app looks like this. You can either download or install the Seesaw class app on your device. Or go to app.seesaw.me in your browser to get started. Once there, you are going to push the I'm a Student button. You can find the I'm a Student button here. Press it now. Next, your teacher should have provided you with either a special home learning text code or a home learning QR code. Your home learning code may have been shared like this or like this and was sent directly to you in an email or sent home as a paper printout. Have your code ready as we move to the next step. I am going to show you how to use either the text or QR code. Let's first talk about the home learning QR code. To use your QR code, press the blue Scan Code button. You can find the Scan Code button here. Press it now. Then you will scan the home learning QR code with your device using the built-in QR reader in Seesaw. Depending on your device, you may have to click Allow to let the reader access your camera to scan the QR code. Or you can always just use your home learning text code provided by your teacher. You can enter your home learning text code here. Then press the green Go button here. Great! With home learning set up in Seesaw, you can see your own work from your class. You'll be able to do activities from your teacher and get any class announcements from your teacher as well. Let me show you. First, Activities. You can find the Activities tab here. Let's see what your teacher has assigned you. Click the Activities tab now. Ooh, nice! My teacher assigned a math activity. When I am ready to respond, I click the Add Response button. The Add Response button looks like this. You can find the Add Response button here inside the activity box. Once you press the Add Response button, you can follow your teacher's directions to respond to the activity and show all you know. Also, with home learning, we can see class announcements. Back on your journal page, you can go to your Inbox tab. You can find the Inbox tab here. Press it now. Looks like my teacher sent me an announcement about home learning. Sweet. With home learning and Seesaw, there is so much I'll be able to do, show, and learn right in my own home. Speaking of home, if there is more than one of you super students using Seesaw for home learning on the class app or website, you will need to be sure to log out each time so both kids can use their personal home learning codes. To do this, tap on the top left corner of your screen here. Then click the gear by your name up here. When you do, it will give you this menu. Then press Sign Out down here at the bottom of the menu. You'll then be back right at the beginning where you can again select I'm a student and enter the home learning code for the other child. As you can see, these home learning codes are super important. So keep them safe and handy so they are ready to use each day. We keep ours up on our fridge. And that's it. Get ready to have all the fun and show what you know here at Seesaw.